Minecraft Education Edition with Crew Tim. Today we will be doing Code Builder Tutorial Challenge number 4. Hi everyone, welcome back. Go ahead, log in if you can. If you can't, go ahead and follow along. We're going to do Code Builder again, challenge number 4. Let's go to Play, My World, Code Builder Tutorial, Play. Okay, I've already got us on challenge number 4. Got my agent back there. So we're able to read this without the agent being in the way. Let's see. Challenge 4. Full spectrum movement. Navigate through the obstacle course to reach the 4 white plates scattered about. Stand on the plates to light the towers. When all of the towers are lit, move your agent to the gold plate to complete the challenge. Remember, the agent is indestructible. Alright, let's go take a look at this. So we have to move from here over to here is our first gold plate, our first plate that we have to stand on. Now, like the other challenges, we don't have to stop because we don't have anything moving. So when we step on the plate, it will light the tower up there. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 towers up there with the light. So we have plate number 1, then plate number 2's inside there. Got to come over here. Plate number 3 is up there. Come down here, plate number 4, and to finish over there. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and go up here. Let's go up here. Whoop. Let's get up there. And let's go ahead and let's take a look at this. Okay, I have my agent over here ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and run it, and then we'll go down and we'll walk through all the pieces of code. So I'm going to do T for chat, and I'm going to do CHA4, and let's watch. And there he goes. Just like that. And it lit up the 4 towers up there. Okay, let's go ahead, let's go down there, and let's take a look, see what we got. And there we go. Alright, first of all, let's go ahead, let's go in the back, and let's unlight those towers. Just like we did on the other ones, go through the gate, come in here, we've got some doors. Let's go in here, turn this one off, turn this one off, this one, and this one. Okay, so now we've got that, and we can go back out front, call our agent back over, and start writing some code. Let's close the gate. Alright, so I'm going to come here and I'm going to do slash teleport, right, teleport at C at S, whoops, at S, and there we go. So my agent's ready to go. Alright, let's break this down in little pieces here. So let's start. We have to go forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks we have to move forward, right? So we don't have to move up 1 because these are stairs right here. So we don't have to move up 1. We just have to move forward, and then we're going to do a left turn, and we'll sit right there on that plate, and that plate will light that up. So we'll do that one and we will stop. So let's go ahead and let's jump into code. Let's start a new project. Let's go ahead and do a new project, and we'll call it challenge. Whoops, challenge 4. Let's call it challenge 4. So let's create challenge 4. Let's get rid of the on start. We'll change this to CHA4. That way when we run it, we'll be able to run it. And let's start. So we needed to move forward 6. So we're going to do agent, and we're going to grab the forward, change that to 6. And then we need to turn left. So we're going to agent turn left. We're going to have to do this a lot of times. If we do this for each one, we'll have to go back and reset. So, and then we're going to go forward 1, and that should light up the first one. So let's go ahead and let's run it. Okay, so our agent's there, and we're going to do T for chat, CHA4, and there he goes, and he stopped, and it lit the first one up. So let's go ahead and let's move on to the next one. And here's our plate right here. We've got our agent down there, right? So my agent has to come up 2, and then we've got to move forward 1, 2, 3, down 1. So let's go back into code, and we're going to move up 2. So let's grab the agent, and we're going to take a forward 1. We're going to do that, do the pull down, go up by 2, and then we're going to go forward by 3, and we have to go down in order for him to actually step on that plate, because the agent can walk on air, right? So we need to go down 1. So forward by 3 and then down by 1. So where's our, there we are. Okay, so let's go do this, and we'll move our agent back to the start. We'll come back over here. We got on there. I'm going to do the / arrow up a couple of times, and there we go. Okay, let's go back over here and let's watch. Actually, let's go up here and watch. We'll come up here. That way we can see him. All right, so T for chat, CHA4, and he comes, did that one, did that one. So we've got 2 lights lit. So our next one, to move to plate 3, we have to turn right, and then we have to move forward 1, 2, 3, up 1, so we can be on top of this, and then we have to move forward 1, 2, 3. So this lava counts as 1, but we can go through there because he's not going to burn. So we're going to go right turn, forward 3, up 1, forward 3. Let's go back into code. And we're going to do a right turn, so we want to grab our agent, and we're going to go like this, and we're going to do right turn, and then we'll copy this forward 3, and we'll put it down there, forward 3, then we'll go up by 1, so let's go ahead and copy this one, and we'll change it to 1, and then we need to go forward 3 again, so let's duplicate that. And we'll go do that. Okay, let's go back. Let's go move our agent back over here. And here we are. Do my / arrow up a couple of times. There he is. He's all ready to go. Let's come back over here. And we'll jump up here. And so we should end up on that plate over there. So let's go ahead and do T, CHA4, and here he comes, 1, 2, and he stopped on that plate, and our third light is lit. Okay, we're almost done with this, so let's go ahead and see what we need to do. Now we need to do a right turn, and then forward 1, 2, 3, and then another right turn, and come down, right turn, then we go forward 1 and then down 1, which will put us on this block. Then we need to do a left turn, forward 1, down 1, put us on that block. And then what we need to do is we can do a left turn, and we can go ahead, so we're right here, right here, left turn, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that puts us at the end down there. We don't have to stop on this because he's going to be walking across that, so we don't have to stop on that. All right, let's go ahead, go back into code, and we're going to, we were at forward 3, so now we have to do a right turn. So let's grab a right turn, got a right turn, forward 3, let's duplicate this, put it down there, forward by 3, then we need to do another right turn, and do that, and then we go forward by 1, so let's copy this, put it as a forward by 1, forward by 1, then we need to go down 1, and we have a down up here. Let's grab that and go down 1, down by 1, then we need to do a left turn. So we need to do a left turn here. So let's put that in there and change it to left. The left turn, forward by 1. Let's copy this one, forward by 1, left turn, forward by 1, then we need to go down 1 more. Let's do the down again, down 1 more, and then we're going to left turn again, left turn, and we're going to go forward by 7 this time. Okay, we're going to go forward by 7. We don't need to stop on that plate because he's going to walk across it and it's going to go ahead and trigger it. But when we get to the end, we need to go down by 1 in order to make that plate do its thing. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's move down here a little bit, and there we go. All right, let's do it. Well, got to start back from the beginning because I've got him over there. Well, let's go back here and let's teleport him back. There he is. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. I'm going to do T, CHA4, and there we go. Doing, going. Come down, down. And he ended up on the plate like he's supposed to, and there is the lights up there. So let's do this real quick. Let's come back over here one more time, and we'll reset all of those, and then we'll go up on top and we'll look at our code one more time. So let's go in here, reset these, turn off all our lights, and get that, and see if we can get out of here. Okay. All right, let's move our agent back. We'll climb up on top and we will take a look at it. Let's close that. Let's bring the agent back over here. So I'm going to do slash, arrow up, teleport it back to me. And let's go up here. All right, so our code, let's take a look at our code again. We've got our code right here. We've got it written right here. If you want to look at it in JavaScript, click on the JavaScript. And here it is over here. Got our chat function, all our stuff down there. And if you want to look at it in Python, you can click on Python and you can see it in Python as well. So let's go back to blocks and let's run it and see what happens. So I'm going to do T for chat. All our lights are off up there. T for chat, CHA4, and there he goes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. That's it. All right. Great job, everyone. Go ahead, play around with that, and we'll move on to challenge number 5 on the next video. You have a wonderful day. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.